బారి నుండి రక్షణ పొందేందుకు యాంటీవైరస్ ఉపకరణం ప్యూర్ ప్రాణాను తయారు చేశామని ప్రముఖ శాస్త్రవేత్త కెహెచ్ శాస్త్రి అన్నారు. హైదరాబాద్ తాజ్ కృష్ణాలో ప్యూర్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అండ్ డివైజెస్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ సంస్థ ద్వారా ప్యూర్ ప్రాణాన్ని విడుదల చేశారు. తన 3 దశాబ్దాల కృషి ఫలితంగా ప్రజల ఆరోగ్యాన్ని కాపాడే ఉపకరణాన్ని తయారు చేశానని, క్లిష్ట సమయంలో అందించగలిగామని శాస్త్రి మీడియాకు వెల్లడించారు.
And Mr. Azam Khan, who genuinely helped us to make this press meet successful. And to all media friends who made this presence in the press meet, we warmly welcome you all to join enlightening press meet. I assure you that this event shall be full of exuberance and excitement. Miss Nanda ma'am, who is she's having an experience of 25 years of in health sector, social activist and a director of Mighty Sports. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's gathering, we will be taking you all on a walk with our thoughts, thinking, mechanism, features and more related life hack for living healthy and virus-free life. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all put together hands to welcome our creator of this one and only device, antivirus device, that is Pure Prana, Mr. K.H.K. Sastry sir. I want to accompany Mr. Sastry sir, our MD, Mr. Ajay sir and Nagendra sir also. Now I request our Sastry sir to address the media. So I request our CEO, Mr. Nagendra sir, to come forward and give the details about our Sastry sir.
Good afternoon all. It's been a great privilege to host this meeting. Shastri sir has worked in defense for more than 20 years. He is a close associate of Abdul Kalam, and we would be proud to say that he is one of the person who worked with in the Indian missile, the first missile Agni, in the first batch of Agni missile. Both have termed Abdul Kalam has moved into this, and Shastri sir came into research, and finally he has set up he has come up with so many inventions, and Pure Prana he has developed with an extensive research of more than 35 years. It's a core research of 35 years. He has done a lot of alterations on this product, and finally he came up with this product this year. And we are very fortunate that during this extreme pandemic situation, we have Shastri sir with us. He is really saying on an oath that Pure Prana is a solution to fight this pandemic. So I ask and I welcome Mr. Shastri sir on the dais, as I always said, and I ask Mr. Shastri sir to speak a few words about his wonderful invention.
It is a great pleasure with all of you to be here with, and I am very much happy with the incident of this presentation. I am K.H. Shastri, worked in defense for about 20 years, and I took a voluntary retirement in 1980. During my services, I had undergone a special course called Biological War Weaponry System. It's a biological war. Today, what you see presently in the modern world or modern defense systems, you find only nuclear weapons, something like a laser and something like other weaponry system, which is very much advanced in the to counter the enemy or to attack the enemy. So these are all the present methods. Now tomorrow, the war strategy will not be today's strategy. The strategy is they simply explode a normal virus or release the virus. Such a virus, it is just like a corona-19 virus. It is, as everyone knows about it, China has already launched it about 2 years back. Now, you know its reactions all over the world. Many people lost their life and many people lost their thick contents. It is not that everyone knows about what is this virus, but they don't know how to counter it. The countering is the main part. Any disease, you can get some relief out of it or cure it. But this virus cannot be cured and it takes time. So the present war strategies will be with like this modern method, like a chemicals. They spray the chemical, and such a chemical, once it is sprayed, it covers around 100 kilometers to 200 kilometers or 500 kilometers. Wherever this virus spreads, the entire area, people find breathing problem and they cannot survive, and after 2-3 days, most of the people will die. This is a chemical war. But chemical war can be encountered by a different method, and you can save some of the people. But this virus problem, it's very, very, very difficult. And you know very well, this corona-19 virus has been spread to a number of countries. Till today, no one has found out the remedy for it. But the doctors are severely fighting against that with their old experience and with their past experience dealing and treating different diseases. Of course, their duty is to fight against and do something, and they're sacrificing their life also towards this epidemic disease. You call it as a situation. There's no other way. They are finding the different methods, different systems to cure the corona. But I took this challenge somewhere in 1985, and I have been working on this biological war weaponry system. It is not a normal science. It is an extraordinary science, and very difficult to achieve this particular results on this particular biological war. And I have been selected among 5,000 people. I'm the only man who was selected for this course. Probably, maybe my present, you call it as my memory or whatever it is, I'm lucky enough, and I'm sure that particular subject knowledge can be properly utilized by me. That is the reason they have given me a special training. Now this particular subject, it needs a lot of chemical knowledge, lot of viral knowledge, lot of engineering science, and lot of other sciences which cannot be expressed. It is in the form of hydrogen and oxygen, and many number of systems are supposed to be present in this. Whereas I was forced to leave the service in 1980 because I took this challenge that I shall do something. I should find out a way out how to fight against this particular biological war. So I have been doing different scientific evaluations and all. But unfortunately, we have a deficiency of testing agencies in India. We are not in a position to get any backup from the Indian sources because of this science is a very advanced science. Very, very difficult to get it evaluated. Because of this, it took around 35 years to 40 years for me to evaluate and eradicate the viruses present in the particular system. Now, finally, after many modifications, I could win over this device, that is viral control. And the virus is much stronger than a bacteria and microbiology. You can call it as a strongest enemy. This virus cannot be just controlled like that. Now, luckily, I call it as a, with all my available present testing agencies like a CCMB and Viral Lab in Pune and other places, I got it evaluated, I got it tested, and finally, my product called Pure Prana. So this is the one I have named it, and it is an invention of this decade, or you call it as on today, there is no one who can devise such a device which has the ability and capability to fight against virus. And this particular product has been subjected to a toughest, or you call it as a very high level way of testing in CCMB. It took about 2 to 3 months. They evaluated it and found very good results. 98% controlled the coronavirus, and we have specially requested them to test it on the coronavirus only. It is not that simply going again with a bacteria, virus and all, that is a different issue. Only coronavirus. So they are, in South India, they are the only people who can evaluate such tests. Now finally, I got the test report, that is, in 45 minutes, around 98%, because that equipment has only 45 minutes evaluation system. So further, if you just use it for another 10-15 minutes, it will be 100%. So 98% is not a normal thing. It's a great achievement. So with this, my morale has been boosted, and the product also has gained a very good name. And as it is, the product is already doing this same activity. We have tested on more than 100 to 150 people. Everyone recovered from coronavirus, and it is the only device as on today which can save the lives of the people who are affected with the corona. It is the only device which can give you the special oxygen system, or you can call it as a oxygen generator. It supplies to the patient immediately after this installation of this equipment, and it gives immediate oxygen, that is called sterile oxygen. It is not a normal oxygen. So this also helps the patient to get recovered faster. At the same time, this has a special effect on the patient. Suppose a patient has got affected with this corona, for example. This corona has a special effect. First it enters from the nostrils, then from the nose, it goes into the throat, and in the throat it remains for 4 to 5 days. So during these 4 or 5 days, patient gets some sort of, you can call it as symptoms. One symptom is losing sensation of the smelling, taste losing, and fever, and vomiting, and plus loose motions. Many number of symptoms you can find. But once any person who finds this sort of or suffers from this, if he reacts immediately, takes this Pure Prana treatment just for 2 hours, morning, 2 hours in the evening, he can recover fast, and no need of going to the hospital, no need of going to any other treatment. In the event, if the patient is not in a position to alert himself up to 4 days or 5 days, by the time it enters into the lungs, once it goes into the lungs, it plays a havoc in the human body. It creates a heavy infection, and this infection blocks the entire operation of the lungs. It will not allow the patient to breathe the air properly. So he will suffer with a heavy, you call it as a, he cannot breathe, or he suffers from a breathing. He cannot get the proper oxygen. So in such cases, there is no other way or no alternative. He has to go to the hospital and take assistance of the ventilator and take the assistance of the doctors. So that is the second stage or third stage. And after that, it all depends on the patient condition, whether he recovers or he don't recover. But in such cases, there are only, call it, only 10% of recovery. But 90% is a very dangerous situation. So why we should go into such situations? Why not we take this product into our family or in the family members? There may be a 5 to 4 members, and everybody can get treated with this product. Everyone can get safe. You can call it as a safety method or safety device, or you call it as a total security for the family. So this way, one can safeguard the entire corona effect. There is no medicine as on today. Take it granted. If there is any medicine, if there are any doctors over here, please tell me. Yes, there is a medicine. I will counter it. Is there any medicine available for this? Anyone who knows about for a corona medicine, corona treatment? No. So why not we think of this pure prana as one of the medicine, advanced medicine? It is not a medicine. It is a direct punch onto the patient and he gets recovered faster. There is no medicine. It is not called a medicine. It is something like a relief, giving a relief to a patient. And instead of going into the hospitals, going into a different organizations, losing lakhs of rupees and crores of rupees, and losing their life finally, why not you think about this product to get into your family members? I request everyone to take care of this product. We have not come here to make money out of it. We have come here to save the world or to save our own Indians. We would like to save everyone in India. First, let me give a priority to India. Then we go to the other countries. So, let us do something to the humanity. Let us do something to our family members. We are not here to make money out of it. We are here and we have priced it very, very, very low. This is supposed to be more than 1 lakh. But whereas we have brought it to, say about around 30,000 rupees. This is nothing. And you go to hospital, for only testing purposes, they charge you more than 40 to 50,000 rupees. Think of it. Definitely, once you become a patient in the hospital, you are supposed to pay all the testing charges, whether you have any disease, whether you have disease or not, to identify, to evaluate. Do you have to pay not less than 30 to 25 to 30,000 only for testing? Why not you take this and keep it in your house? And also it works like a sterilizer, biosterilization. Now, let me come back to you on this issue. Biological war system. As on today, there is no scientist who has capacity to think about this biological war system as on today. There are so many countries, even Russia, America, Japan, Germany, China. No one has found out the method for the biological war weapon. I am the first man, I am the only man who has won this prize. Later on, whoever comes, he is the second person. I want to address all the press media. It is not that we have come here only just to do something normal. Please, I request every media people, do something to the humanity, do something to the people, do something to your next friends, family and other people. I have hosted more than 40 to 50 press conferences. Never I was emotional on this. I had different products. I have done it and I know what a media can do. Please, I request all media people, come on, come with your own energetic property. You forget about for a while that you are a professional in particular deep field. Try to help your people. I don't want you to write something good on my product. You write reality about this product. We don't want to promote the product through you. We want to promote the human safety through you. I don't know how to address my in this particular field, but I can request that all the press conferences people that please do something to the humanity. Save the people. Now we are in a dangerous position at this moment. Now Corona, second wave has come, third wave has already come, and Delta has already come, Delta Plus has already come. Now Delta Plus is very, very, very difficult to get rid of it. Only my system only can get rid of it. And this is my challenge. Whoever proves that it doesn't work, I'll pay back 100 times of this equipment. This is my challenge on my equipment. It is not that I have developed it for the sake of money. I have developed it for the safety of the humankind. Thank you very much, sir. That's all.
To 83 years of a person, passionate గా ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ డెవలప్ చేసి జనాలకు తీసుకురావడానికి అతని తాపత్రయం. అతను అన్నట్టు బిజినెస్ ఓకే, బట్ ఒక 36 సంవత్సరాలు రీసెర్చ్ చేసి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ యాక్చువల్గానే రిలీజ్ చేయాలి ప్రోడక్ట్. హెల్త్ బాగోక హీ కేమ్ అప్ విత్ దిస్ ఐడియా నౌ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ యూనిక్ ప్రోడక్ట్ విచ్ రియల్లీ సేవ్స్ ద హ్యుమానిటీ, and we should be proud that we are standing here with Shastri sir today, and you will be knowing about Pure Prana within few days, what impact that it creates across the globe. Thank you Shastri sir for bringing this product to this humanity. ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి శాస్త్రి గారు ఇక్కడే ఉన్నారు, సో యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్.
Questions related to our Pure Prana.
So I have one or two questions.
I request everyone to put a logical question, not illogical questions. I'll be very happy, and I will be definitely satisfying all of you, whoever has the difficulty about this product. Thank you.
So I have a
Madam.
question. I don't know if it is logical, but since Delta variant is the most predominant virus, the Delta Plus variant is the most predominant virus. As the virus gets stronger, there are other, variants being emerging. So does this device of yours work with those kind of variants as well? And could you please tell how does this device work? Is it an inhaler or it has to be kept in the room? If it has to be kept in the room, there are UV related viruses which work at 220 nanometers to kill the virus, the UV radiation ones. So how different is this from that device?
Oh, wonderful, madam. It's a beyond the scientific question. Anyway, I'm very happy since it is a part of my research-oriented subject. Very glad to answer you.
Thank you.
Here, if you understand the lifespan and the lifestyle of a virus, bacteria has a DNA.
Yeah.
And virus is not having a DNA, it's only RNA. So the RNA is a different type of viruses have a different types of RNAs. I'm not a highly qualified virologist, but I know about the virology because I'm forced to learn about virology because I'm working with the virology. This virus, especially coronavirus, let us take the example of a coronavirus. See, this is actually, the birthplace is from China. And what they did was, they got it from a bat. And I think there's a very big history behind that. If I speak about that whole history, let me be I could call it as a very small way, I will talk about it. This particular virus has been brought by Chinese from the house of bats to the lab. And in the lab, they found out this virus has tremendous reactions on the human being. And this virus is something very different than other viruses. So what they did was, in their lab, they genetically modified this virus. What is genetically modifying? Every virus has got a genetic characteristics. The genetic characteristics is different from different viruses. But this genetic virus and this quality of the genetic is something very great. What they did was, they modified the system in such a way that they created some sort of special genetic treatment. And this particular virus has been proving the best for propagating and doing something destruction to the human being. In the meantime, what happened? They have not completed this virus totally. They have been working on this virus. There are many people working on this virus only to change the genetic characteristics. They have not come to the end of it. They have not completed their task. They are only in the middle. I say about 10% or 15% they did the genetic changes. If they happen to do that 90% or 100% genetic changes, it would have been destroyed the whole world. It is our luck to some extent. We are in a position to do something on this. Now once this virus has come out, what happened was, suddenly it leaked out from one of the lab. That has spread all over the places, and they have not taken a proper care, and the virology lab supposed to be having 7 stages of security, 7 stages, first stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage, fifth stage. If the virus escapes from first stage, the second stage will be alert, and they will close the virus, or they will kill the virus in the first stage itself, whereas they did not do all these things in China. And they had hardly third stage. So it crossed the second stage and third stage, spread into the atmosphere. Now that particular virus, right now, there is no control over this, and this uncontrolled virus has been spread into different areas, and it entered animals, it entered human beings. Now suppose a virus enters in our body, what it does? Our immunity system fights against it. Now it comes to know, yes, there is somebody who is resisting me, so why not? I should change my characteristics, because it is having its own characteristics. It changes its characteristics, it camouflages on its own and changes its quality, and it changes its ability to stand and gets out of the body. How it gets out of the body? Suppose you breathe out, you are somewhere. Already somebody, let's say I've been affected with the corona. Now I'm mingling with some of the people. Now the virus comes out from my breathing. It already tested my inside safety devices, and it understood, oh, this man is very strong, this immunity is very strong. Now let me change it. Now the immunity changed its quality, and you call it as a genetically changed its own quality. Now when it entered into my body, that strength of the virus is different. When it has gone out of my body, the strength is different. That is called mutation. Now this mutated virus is stronger than the first virus, more than 10 times. Now it enters into second body. There also plays the same thing. Now once in that second body, again it finds out all the immunity system fighting against this particular virus, again gets experience. Again it changes, the mutation takes place. What it does, That means human beings are having a lot of resistance. Now let me change my quality. Like this, it changes, its genetic changes up to 4th stage, 5th stage, 6th stage, even up to 10th stage. That stages are called delta. It is uncontrolled manner. That strength is, we don't know what is its potential to fight against that virus. Now in this case, the virus which has entered in the first stage, when you measure its ability and capability of destruction, it is more than 100 times powerful than anything. So how do you fight against it? There is no medicine. Suppose you wanted to do you can call it a vaccine. To develop a vaccine, it takes more than 3 years to 4 years. Truly speaking, it takes 5 years. If you don't do any shortcut. But whereas the country is facing so much of pandemic situation, now people have brought it in 2 years or 3 years, this vaccine. No doubt, our scientists are great. They have done a good work. They have brought it. But the symptoms of the virus, what it has been started in 2 years back, that is not the symptoms, or that is not the genetic characteristic, that is not the characteristic of the virus. Already it has changed 10 times mutation. Now the virus will not function on the body. It may function to some extent. It will function only 10% or 20% or 30% depending on the resistance of the body. Now, how can anyone develop a vaccine just overnight? So there is no chance of developing any virus, any vaccine, because it is highly impossible to develop a vaccine. Now, in this situation, this particular virus cannot be controlled by any many means. Now today it is entering already, it has right now entered in America, it entered in different countries, doing its maximum destruction. Once it enters particular delta effect, no one can control it, except our pure prana. Only the result for this is only pure prana. Because this particular scientific approach was done for the highest ability of the virus. And in this my biological war weapons, I do not know what type of power people play with around. So I have given the maximum disinfection qualities, maximum. Any type of virus, let it be 10 times mutated or 20 times or 100 times, it will not spare, it will kill that. That is why I am challenging again and again and again. Except this pure pranam, there is no treatment for this virus or coronavirus. If anyone has got the treatment, please let me know, I will learn from him.
आपने बताया नहीं कि कैसे काम करेगा.
हाँ जी?
How does this work? It's what we asked you to.
Yes. How does it work? It's a good. See, we have created this instrument with three-four functions. One function is it draws air from nature and sends it to the reactive chamber, or we call it as a disinfection chamber. In that particular chamber, we are using a special energy. We call it as a UV, ultraviolet radiation. This ultraviolet radiation spectrum, we have three characteristics in UV lamp. One is ultraviolet, second one is magnetic force, third one is spectrum light, or you call it as a wavelength of the spectrum. Now we are using these three wavelengths for a different applications. UV we use it for our normal disinfection or normal microbiological creatures, whatever it is. At the same time, UV also functions to some extent and you have been doing the disinfection quality, whereas our particular virus, you have to take care of a special attention. To get that power, I have used a special technology. I'm sorry to address right now in this media. I have been specialized in nuclear reactors. And this nuclear reactor function, I have stimulated into my system. How? If you study about the nuclear reactor, the power generated by the nuclear reactor is trillions of times multiplies. We call it as a chain reaction. And we use uranium-285 in that. Now here, I am using UV light spectrum, that is wavelength of 275 nanometers to 350 nanometers. It's very high frequency, very high frequency. And with this frequency, the magnetic field, which is right now in this particular system, and I accelerate the magnetic field in such a way to bombard on nanomaterials. I have used specialized nanomaterials, where the nanomaterials has got a quality. If you bombard onto that with a high magnetic field, it releases ions. And those ions are very powerful, which can attack any type of virus, which can attack any type of bacteria and eradicate it. But you need more power. Even our own human body also develops ions. That is only to counter the radicals produced in our own body. Now, the radicals produced in our body are not very strong. That's okay, normal. So these ions can fight with that and neutralize it. That's okay. But a virus which has got a special characteristics, you can't allow it to in our human body. So it needs 1,000 times, maybe even 10,000 times powerful than the human body ionic force. Now this is the reason why I have selected this type of system or this type of method only to counter the virus. And how I develop this particular ionic force. When we allow this air inside our system, there is 16 to 18% of, say about between 15 to 20% of oxygen in our atmosphere. Rest of it is nitrogen and some other polluted items. Now here, we want only oxygen percentage. Suppose we are in Hyderabad. Here we get around 19.5% of oxygen. And out of it, at least 0.1% is polluted. Now we don't want any polluted oxygen. So what we do? We sterilize it, or we remove all the unwanted contaminants in the air. So we pass it through a chamber where the air or where the oxygen is polluted. We purify it and we perfect it, and that particular oxygen we send it into our reactor. Our reactor is a smallest reactor. It's a very small, minute reactor. Usually only a normal power supply, a normal, you can call it UV light and UV spectrum light. And it's because I have been working on the same principles of the radar. I used the radar technology in this particular field. The bombardment of ions, and we use the same type of technology in radar, but we call it as a magnetron. I think everybody knows about what is a magnetron. We use it in our house, what we call it as a, మనం చేస్తారు కదా దాన్ని ఇది మనం ఫుడ్గా వాడతాం కదా మనం దాన్ని. ఎనీవే this particular magnetron has its special characteristic. Initially, it creates say ions, or it creates electrons, and it shuts down because of the filament power supply is cut off. Then the secondary emission created by its own cavities, it will bombard onto the this particular cathode, or you call it as a special material that also releases ions. And that particular principle I have adopted into this. The spectrum light, what we are getting into this UV lamp, we used it along with magnetic field, bombarded onto the ionic nanomaterials. Nanomaterial releases all these particular ions, and they are in quantum of trillions, and they travel along with purified air or sterile air. They go outside. We call it, we send them through a small nozzle. This is a nozzle, and it delivers around 5 to 6 liters of air per minute. Now through this nozzle, you get this purified oxygen along with it, trillions of ions. Now these particular ions, these ions are concentrated in our body, and we connect it to connection. Yeah. This is the way we have to wear, and the connection is there, and this particular thing is about 2 meters, I think more than 2 meters. So it's very comfortable to wear and comfortable to take and inhale this particular air. Once it enters with this ionic force, with the sterile air, it has a very good effect on the infection, or you call it as a bacteria, or you call it as a virus, or any type of virus. It will immediately eliminate from the throat, and not only throat, lungs, from the body, wherever it enters, it has a special effect. I will go a little out of subject. Our human body has got the 100 trillions of human cells. 100 trillions, more than 100 trillions. These cells are the power to our body. If these cells are functioning better, you hail with a good health. Now you need, these cells are also a power factor or power generator for our body. Now once this power generator is functioning properly, you get energy to your body, and you will feel happy. At the same time, you will be energetic. Now here, this particular energy is produced only with the purest air and purest oxygen, whatever you call it. At the same time, we are sending this ionic force and creating any disorder in the cell, it will put it into order. So this way, it is doing something good to the human body, other than eliminating virus from the body. Huh? Okay. So it has many advantages of this thing, and which is maybe out of subject. We can talk about it. See, it even cures asthma. It cures airborne diseases. Maximum airborne diseases are controlled with this with this particular compound of what you call it as a air plus ionic force, and snoring and many number of disorders in the body which you experience as per the seasons and all, and it can eradicate. And it is not only for only virus, any bacteria, anything, or it is going to give you a relief on your own room, your own bedroom, and it gets sterilized. And after the sterilization, what is going to happen to our body? It's very important. Once our body is not fighting against the viruses, now the immunity system relaxes. Once the immunity system relaxing, all the immunity forces are going to work on all the organs. So that is an additionated every time. So this particular sterile zone will help you in improving your immunity quality.
So can this be used for people who use a CPAP and a BiPAP machine in obesity cases or lung disorder cases where oxygen is required? Can this device be used for such patients?
Increase the lung efficiency also.
Yeah, so can it be used is what I'm asking. It can be used.
It will remove complete mucus in the throat, lungs, everything.
Okay.
It will increase the lung efficiency also.
Okay, and just one last.
Dengue ions will give the bacteria and viruses positive bacteria.
All right, I got it.
Become neutralized bacteria.
Okay.
సో నేను హోమియో ప్రాక్టీషనర్ను. మా క్లయింట్కు ఆల్రెడీ కోవిడ్ పాజిటివ్ ఉంది. ఆ పాజిటివ్ వచ్చినాక 2 days తర్వాత సివియర్ కాఫ్ అటాక్ అయింది. దాని నుంచి నాకు ఫోన్ చేశారు. వెంటనే నేను ప్యూర్ ప్రాణాను తనకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత 3rd day నుంచి తన యొక్క యాక్టివిటీ మీరే అడిగి తెలుసుకోండి.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఆల్. యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ మా పెద్ద బాబుకు అటాక్ అయిందండి. మా పెద్ద బాబుకు సండే రోజు అటాక్ అయింది 4 o'clock ఈవినింగ్. ప్యూర్ ప్రాణ మిషన్ ఆ రోజు లేదు, అందుబాటులో లేదు మాకు. తర్వాత శ్రీధర్ సార్ మాకు చాలా ఆప్తమిత్రుడు. ఆ సార్ అడ్వైస్ తీసుకున్నాను. సార్ ఈ విధంగా అటాక్ అయినాం సార్, మేము మా కుటుంబ సభ్యులు 4 అటాక్ అయినాం, మా పొజిషన్ ఏంటి సార్ అని చెప్పి అడిగాను. అడిగితే సార్ ఏమన్నారంటే, నా దగ్గర ఒక ప్యూర్ ప్రాణ అనే మిషన్ ఉంది, దాన్ని నీ దగ్గరికి ఇమీడియట్లీ పంపిస్తాను, దాన్ని వాడి చూడండి, దాని రిజల్ట్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది అనేది మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి అని చెప్పి అన్నారు. తర్వాత నేను దాన్ని ఏం చేశానంటే, ఫస్ట్ మా పెద్ద బాబుకి ఆస్తమా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది సార్, సైనస్ ప్రాబ్లం. దానికి ఏంటంటే నేను కంటిన్యూగా 4 hours కంటిన్యూ నడిపించాను. 4 hours కంటిన్యూగా నడిపించిన తర్వాత మండే మార్నింగ్ 10 నుంచి ఫుల్ యాక్టివిటీ ఉన్నాడు సార్ అబ్బాయి. తర్వాత నేను నెక్స్ట్ డే నేను యూజ్ చేసుకున్నాను. నాకు ఫీవర్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది మండే నుంచి. ఆ ఫీవర్ దాదాపుగా ఏంటంటే 2 days ఉంది సార్, కాఫ్ కోల్డ్ ఫీవర్. నేను ఏంటంటే మా అబ్బాయికే నేను ప్రియారిటీ ఇచ్చిన ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. అయితే అతనికి కంటిన్యూగా క్లియర్ అయిపోయినాకనే నేను యూజ్ చేద్దామని చెప్పి నేను పెట్టేసుకున్నాక 2 daysలో నేను కూడా క్లియర్ అయిపోయినాను. చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్ శాస్త్రి సార్ గారికి.
Thank you very much.
ఇది ఒక ప్యూర్ ప్రాణ ఏందనంటే కోవిడ్ పేషెంట్స్కి ఒక సంజీవిని లాంటిది, 100% గ్యారంటీ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే. ఇది ఓన్లీ కోవిడ్ పేషెంట్కి అని కాదండి, అస్తమా పేషెంట్కు, తర్వాత మీకు గురక ఉంటుంది కదా, దాని మీద కూడా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసినాం. సైనసైటిస్, తర్వాత ఆల్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలర్జీస్, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఎలర్జీ, బ్యాక్టీరియా అండ్ వైరస్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఫంగస్, బ్లాక్ ఫంగస్, వీటి మీద చాలా అద్భుతంగా పనిచేస్తుంది. ప్లస్ ఏంటంటే స్లీపింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఆ స్లీపింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్లో ఎక్కువ కనబడుతుంటుంది మనకు, స్లీప్ అని. దానికి ప్రూఫ్ కూడా ఇక్కడే ఉన్నారు సార్ వాళ్ళ మదర్కు. ఒకసారి ప్రసాద్ సార్ మాట్లాడండి.
సార్ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఆల్. నేను కూడా కోవిడ్ పేషెంట్ని, ప్యూర్ ప్రాణ వాడిన నేను. అజయ్ గారికి నేను చెప్పిన వెంటనే అజయ్ గారు నాకు 2nd day పంపించాడు. 3 daysలో నాకు సెట్ అయిపోయింది. హెచ్ఆర్సిటీ నేను 6th day చేయించేస్తే కొరాడ్ 1 వచ్చింది, నార్మల్ ఉంది. సో 6th day నాడు నేను హెచ్ఆర్సిటీ చేపిస్తే చాలా ప్రాబ్లం ఉండే ఆయాసం. నాకు ఫ్యాబీ ఫ్లూ దాదాపు పొద్దున 2 రాత్రి 2 అని సజెస్ట్ చేసిండు అన్నమాట. 4th day నుంచి సజెస్ట్ చేసిండు, కానీ నేను 6th day మళ్ళీ చెప్పితే హెచ్ఆర్సిటీ నార్మల్ ఉన్నది. 2 days కంటిన్యూగా పెట్టుకున్నాను ఇది ప్యూర్ ప్రాణ. సేమ్ టైం మా మదర్కి ఆయాసం ఉండేది, చాలా ఆయాసం. అంటే మా బ్రదర్ వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు పక్కనే ఉంటుంది, అక్కడి నుంచి మా ఇంటికి రావడానికి 1.5 hour టైం తీసుకున్నాను పక్క ఇంటికి. సో 1 day ప్యూర్ పెట్టుకున్నది, 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఆయాసము, స్లీప్ ఆప్నియా. అని దాదాపు 10 years నుంచి నిద్రకు సరిపోక సఫర్ అవుతున్నది. పెట్టుకున్న రోజు 10:30 పడుకుంటే మార్నింగ్ 7 దాకా లేవలేదు. సేమ్ డే ఆయాసం, ఇప్పుడు ఆమెకు షుగర్ ఉంది, వాకింగ్ చేయాలనుకుంటుంది, ఇప్పుడు 1 hour వాకింగ్ చేస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ 15 days నేను యూజ్ చేస్తున్నది, 1 hour ఎవ్రీ డే వాకింగ్ చేస్తున్నది. సో ఆ ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ నా కుటుంబంలోనే అయింది. మాకు చాలా సంతోషం, ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. నాకు యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ కూడా ఉండేది నాకు. సో ముఖాల నొప్పులు విపరీతంగా ఉంటే నేను ఎవ్రీ 15 days నాకు జైలోరిక్ వాడితే కానీ పొద్దున సాయంత్రం తగ్గేది కాదు. 3 hours పెట్టుకున్నాను, మార్నింగ్ లేచిన తర్వాత నాకు ముఖాల నొప్పులు లేవు. అది అంటే ఇది ప్రాక్టికల్గా నేను చూసినాను, ఇది చూసి మీకు చెప్తున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు శాస్త్రి గారు. నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం మీట్ అవుతున్నాను సార్ని, కానీ చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. ఇవన్నీ నా పర్సనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేను చెప్తున్నాను, ఫేస్ చేసినాను, క్లియర్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఓకే.
ఎనీ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇంకెవరికైనా ఎనీబడి వాంట్స్?
సేమ్ బావగారు కూడా సేమ్ పేషెంట్, షుగర్ పేషెంట్ ప్లస్ కార్డియాక్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండే, తర్వాత COVID-19 పాజిటివ్ ఉంది. ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా అటాక్ అయింది. అది సేమ్ డే ఈవినింగ్ మంచిర్యాలకు వెళ్ళాను నేను. 7:30కి అక్కడ మాకు సేమ్ ఇదే COVID-19 బాబుది పెద్ద షాప్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నామంట అక్కడ. ఇట్లా సంగతి అని చెప్పి మా సిస్టర్ నాకు ఫోన్ చేసింది. ఎంతసేపు అయింది రిజల్ట్ వచ్చిందంటే జస్ట్ 2 hours అని చెప్పారు. 2 hours అనగానే నా దగ్గర ప్యూర్ ప్రాణ మెషిన్ ఉండే, మా ఓన్ సిస్టర్ అంటే. ఇమీడియట్ ఏంటంటే ఆయనకు బ్రీతింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం, అస్తమా ఉంది, డయాబెటిక్ ఉంది, బీపీ ఉంది, బ్లాక్ ఫంగస్ వస్తుందని చెప్పి ఒక భయం ఉండే. ఆల్రెడీ ఏజ్ వచ్చేసి 57 years. అప్పటికి చాలా సిక్ అయిపోయాడు, జస్ట్ 2-3 hours వెంటనే తనకు ఇది ప్రొవైడ్ చేసినాను. నైట్ కంప్లీట్ పెట్టుకొని ఉన్నాడు ప్యూర్ ప్రాణ మెషిన్. మార్నింగ్ 11:30-12కు కంప్లీట్ రికవర్ అయ్యి బయటకు వచ్చింది మేడం. దాన్ని ఏంటంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఎవ్రీ 2 hours కంటిన్యూగా వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఫ్యామిలీ మొత్తం వెరీ ఫైన్ ప్రజెంట్ పొజిషన్. ఇట్లా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కేసెస్ జరిగినాయి మేడం. దాదాపు 50-60 కేసెస్ నేను ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసినాను. ఎవ్రీ కేస్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ ఉంది. కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న దాంట్లో అయితే చాలా బెటర్. నువ్వు ప్రజెంట్ ఈ పొజిషన్లో అయితే మనకి ఇది చాలా బెటర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Good evening everyone here. So I am a guest here, so actually I was not willing to join the discussions and I wanted to just know how the things work. But unfortunately I am a qualified, I am a surgeon by profession. I am managing a hospital for 30 years. And for last 1.5 years I have been very actively involved. Though I am a surgeon, I am not actually qualified to treat corona patients. But out of necessity or curiosity or whatever you call it, I have been very actively involved in curing in treating corona patients. I have few questions for Dr. Shastri sir. One by one, let us discuss. First of all, I am not very sure whether your equipment is delivering oxygen, air, or what it is.
Yes, sir. What is it?
It is delivering air or it is delivering oxygen.
Okay. It is air, anywhere the air, but totally you take a volume of air, there is oxygen of between 15 to 20% in normal areas other than the hilly area.
Yeah, generally they call it 21%. Let's take it 21%.
Let's say 20. Hyderabad 19.5, sir.
Sure.
Because of the pollution, lot many other problems.
Yeah, exactly.
So around say 20. Let us take it 20.
Sure.
Now this 20% also contaminated with the pollution. And many number of this entire area has a lot of contamination, or you call it the pollution, vehicular pollution, and corrosive chemicals, many number of things. But it is not ideal for me and for my equipment. It should go into the human body with all this polluted. So what we do? We remove all the contamination by way of steriling. We sterilize the oxygen. We sterilize the entire thing, including nitrogen. We are not bothered. We don't remove or bypass oxygen from the entire air. Air do contain all the other things, nitrogen and other many number of contaminations along with oxygen. So oxygen we concentrate, we do work on nitrogen also, but nitrogen do not have O2. So it works only on oxygen. The oxygen gets excited. Automatically oxygen gets charged and it purifies. Whatever the contamination is available in the oxygen, O2, it gets rid of. And purest oxygen is available for our human consumption.
But not more than 21%.
Sir, it is
cannot be more than 21%.
no. It is whatever is available in the nature. We get it purified. That's all.
That's what I want to clear, sir.
Yeah.
There is impression what some people have got, at least she has got, that you are concentrating oxygen or it is generating oxygen it is. But what I want to make it clear that it is giving pure oxygen a percentage whichever is available in the air.
Exactly. True. Exactly. Yes, sir.
How does it cure asthma and all those things which are non-infective diseases, like they say gout is treated and asthma is treated, diabetes is treated, and within 10 days diabetes is under control or asthma is under control. I don't see any practicality for my knowledge. See, my subject, whatever I have read, only I can talk about. Maybe my subject, allopathy, there are a lot of flaws in allopathy, and we accept that there are a lot of flaws in allopathy. It is not a pure subject or pure way of treatment. But still, whatever subject I know, asthma cannot be cured just like that. It is an autoimmune sort of disease or it is an allergic sort of disease. And these kind of diseases, just in 10 days or 5 days, asthma is cured, 5 hours, asthma is cured. Matlab, these type of claims will create lot more problem than facilitating this.
You are right, sir, 100%. Whereas this product is so efficiently working during our research and development with the different suffering people. One is, say, in the rainy season, people suffer from asthma. I wonder how the asthma is being putting into the human beings, and it immediately within 1 month he gets rid of asthma.
See, 5 hours or 4 hours is the claim that asthma got controlled in 4 hours. Diabetes got cured, and
asthma is not a virus, sir. Asthma is a different contamination. It is
not a virus.
It's a bacteria.
Sir, I'm not talking about you. I'm not talking about your presentation. What I'm telling is people who are carrying, see, lot of people who are non-technical here. I don't think any media people will be well qualified to discuss and understand these complicated things. With all our medical knowledge and all those things, you yourself accept that we are not aware of anything about corona.
Okay.
Right? We ourselves are telling that we are not, with all our scientific knowledge or whatever knowledge we have.
की प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी कितनी है? At present, we are doing it around 1,000 per day, sir. Basing on the demand, we wanted to expand. So present, we have started around 2 months before. 1,000 in a day. 1,000 in a day. So basically on this. More than that, yeah.
There is a need.
Sir, I just...
If at all we need, we can even go for up to 5,000 to 10,000 per day, depending on the demand.
Sir, whether it carries any radiation hazard, because we are using electron system and so many things.
Any radiation effects?
Sir, you are working with the radiation field, sir?
Sir, I am a doctor. I work with CT scan.
I'm very happy. That's what I'm telling.
I work with X-rays. I work with CT scans. I work with PET scans. So naturally, we are working with radiation, sir.
You're really great to hear, sir. The radiation, whatever is available by my equipment, it is screened 4 times. No radiation comes out. And we don't allow any radiation to come out. And we don't allow any outside radiation to go inside. Because we are using mu metal coating Mu metal is the one which doesn't allow any type of magnetic field. And any magnetic field, let's say UV has a magnetic field. It doesn't allow outside to go. It will saturate inside and it will keep quiet. And we are arresting everything inside. We don't even show you even UV rays, one not even micronic level also you cannot find out UV rays. So this is the way we conceal and shield the entire radiation properties, sir.
Even the photon pump is shielded. You have some photon pump inside also.
Yes.
Native photon? Everything, sir. Everything. From every stage we have shielded completely. We don't allow any radiation to go out. And first of all, there is no such radiation which is dangerous to the human body, first of all. We are in the nature, and the nature is developing a UV. The UV ultraviolet rays. If we don't have the nature UV ultraviolet rays, the entire humanity will smash in just 10 days. The UV which is given to the nature, and it is sanitizing the entire surface of the earth. Thus, the UV is a great assistance to the humankind. Yes, sir.
Not bothered about UV, sir. UV we are using in all our sterilizers and even all these pumps, water filters, they all use UV nowadays. I am worried about that pump what you are using, that electron pump or photon pump, something you said.
Yes, everything is shielded, sir. Everything is shielded. Everything 100% shielded. Sir, I am working here. I am working with the equipment. Are we not concerned about our life? True. I mean, I should appreciate that.
Are you specialized in radar section sensors?
And it is supposed to be utilized round the clock.
Yes, sir.
So that's what I am asking. Whether
Completely safe.
Sir, no, sir, I'm not trying to, satisfy you with the question. I will give you my experience. I have worked on such a particular radar that it emits the radiation of RF energy, which even burns the human cells. We have a special suit. We wear that suit, go inside the transmission chamber, and we set the waveguide and we create the concentration of the energy, RF energy, which is going into the space for detection of the aircraft. That particular energy, we set it with our own hand. No tool at all. We can't do anything. We have to go inside the chamber and set it by wearing the mask, by wearing the complete suit, and we are going. If you go normally, it will be smashed in seconds. Such a radiation, I worked for 20 years. I'm alive. My age is right now 80 years, sir. I still will live better health with later.
And SAR is using this instrument for last 50 years.
Yes, Amma.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I thank from the bottom of my heart, from Pure Prana and Shastri Garu, to all the media who are here, who were quite patient listening, and we need your support, of course. And thanks Shastri Garu for inventing such an excellent antivirus device. I myself am associate with them just hardly for a week, you can say, and I started using it, and I'm sure I really felt it's wonderful. Basically, I'm a heart patient. I had an angioplasty in 2015. But after using that, I really feel very energetic. And of course, it cures all the lung problems. Plus, virus, of course, is there. That is basically for coronavirus, any damn virus and bacteria. And of course, any lung diseases it cures. And there are people who started buying, even individually. And our Pure Prana team is visiting hospitals, and they are very happy indeed to go through it, and they love it, and definitely it is going to rock in Telangana, of course, across India, and very soon in the world, I'm sure. So thank you so much, one and all. Thank you.
I'd like to extend my thanks to all the media friends, to my colleagues. and the guests present today. This is the conclusion of the meeting, and if you have any queries, please do visit our website. Thank you very much.